Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm back for my midweek CVS video for you guys. Did he really just park right there? I hate when I'm in the cut. Like, I'm in a cut. Like, if you see me over here, you know she probably want to be alone. Like, she probably wants some privacy. This fool parked right in front of me. Literally. He wasn't there when I parked here. Because, you know, your girl be in a car trying to get the sun right. Looking like a total freaking creeper. I always get nervous when it comes to my midweek for CVS because I always want to bring new deals. And sometimes we do have a lot of repeats. But repeats are repeats for a reason. Like, yeah, the repeats this week are definitely awesome deals worth doing. And a lot of you guys probably didn't watch the Sunday video. So, hey, you know, this might be your first video for this week. But if you're new here, this is your first time seeing this lovely face. I am Shay. Chanel. My mom used to call me Nelly.
And I am here to save you moolah. Yes, moolah. And if I can make you some money too, low-key, I hope to do that as well.
So go ahead and subscribe. You won't regret it. Definitely make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So let's head over to CVS and see what awesome deals that we can grab for this midweek. So the first deal that I'm gonna do, I think I saw Miss Star do this deal. It's on the spend 30 get back 10, and so I'm gonna do the Yukotex with the Tide. And so the Yukotex are priced at $8.79 here at my store. Two of them is going to be $17.58, and I have two digitals attaching. One is 4 off 2, one is 2 off of 1. With this, we're also gonna add the Tide. It's priced at $12.99, and for that we have a 3 off of 1 digital that's attaching. All right, so the total before our digitals is $30.57. Again, we have 6 on the Yukotex and we have 3 on the Tide. Bringing that total down to $21.57. We'll get back the 10. Netting this at $11.52 or $3.85 each. The next deal that we're gonna grab again is gonna be on the CoverGirl. It is buy 2 get back 6 with a limit of 1. And so for this, we're gonna go ahead and grab the 2 pencils here, priced at $4.99. That total is gonna come to $9.98. We're gonna use 2 of these $3 off of 1 coupons from our inserts, which will bring the total down to paying $3.98 and getting back the 6, making them both free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. I had the hardest time finding this freaking display. It's over here, like literally in the flipping cut. Like, I was looking all over the store looking for them. This is another deal I got from Star. It's on the Vaseline. These are priced at $2.29, and it is attaching with a $2 digital right there. So it's only gonna make that 29 cents. This deal here I actually got from, I wanna say Crazy Deals and Steals. It's on the Degree. The unlimited one is a newer one. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also spend 15 get back 5. And for this, I'm gonna see if I can use these 2 $3 coupons that expired on the 4th. All right. So the first one is $10.49. The second one is $5.24. They'll both come to $15.73, and then after the $6 in coupons, you'll pay $9.73, and then you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks and $6 on Ibotta. There's a rebate for each one, the stick as well as the spray. I'm gonna grab the sticks, and then I'll probably do the spray on a different card. Those are priced at $11.79. So getting back 5 in extra care bucks plus 6 on Ibotta, we're bringing this down to a $1.27 moneymaker. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this Clairol deal again because I figured why not. I'm working with a 10 off of 70, guys. So I'm gonna try my luck with it. They make me nervous, I ain't gonna lie. But this is the last thing I'm gonna add to this transaction on the Clairol hair dye. They're priced 50 cents more at this store. They are $9.49, so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. They're gonna come to $18.98. Now I'm gonna use the 6 off of 2 coupon, which is glitching with the digital. Focus, man. There it goes. Bringing that total down to $6.98 out of pocket, getting back the 5. And then we'll also be getting back 700 kicks on Shopkick, which is $280. Big shout out to, I want to say, Saving with Danielle, who mentioned it first. I had no idea, girl, and I definitely went and scanned my receipt yesterday. And so it's gonna bring this down to being free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. So yeah, I thought I'd try something a little different. Listen, this is my 10 off of 70 transaction. Everything was freaking perfect, you guys. Freaking perfect. All right, so I expected my total to be $32.55. It was dead on, y'all. Dead on. Let me show you this receipt really quick. All right, so there goes the tide at the very top. There goes the degrees, which are hella expensive. I don't think I'm gonna sell those. Focus, man. I'm most likely gonna use them because they like $11. Let me see what they all about. There goes the CoverGirl. There goes the Kotex. There goes the Nice and Easy. And then there goes everything that we used. Everything worked out perfectly, you guys. Perfectly. 10 off 70 came off. Vaseline digital, Kotex digital, Clairol digital. I ended up using a paper coupon for the Tide though, just because I still had some. And then we rolled a total of $32 in extra care bucks. Paid a total of 64 cents. We got back a total of $32 in extra care bucks. And then we'll also be getting back $2.80 on Shopkick for the Clairol, $6 for the degree, making everything you see here free plus a $2.25 moneymaker, you guys. Awesome deal here. This is the store closest to my house, and they have them only for $2.09. And it's working for the $2 digital, like I said, making it only 9 cents. So I'm gonna grab one of those on this transaction. So I'm gonna do this household deal. I actually got this idea from Saving with Danielle. Miss Danielle posted it in her CVS video for this week. Well, I did it first. I wanted to make sure it was gonna work first, but with the gainer $5.49, we're grabbing 3 of those and we're stacking it with that 64 load tie, which is $12.99. All right, that total is going to come to $29.46. And then for coupons, there is a digital for the Tide. I'm using paper coupons since I have them. I figure why not use them, so I'm using these. I get my Ip Fairy. I'll pop up the person I got these from for the Tide, but like I said, Danielle had mentioned that this coupon is glitching with the smaller bag, so I grabbed 3 of those, 1 Tide, and used 3 of these, scanned perfectly fine. So your total after your coupons is gonna come to $17.46, and you'll get back the 10, making it a net of $7.46 for all 4 products, or only $1.86 each. So I'm gonna show you my receipt really quick. And so here's what this transaction looks like. There goes the whole blends again. They didn't have any fruities here. I needed a filler, so I grabbed the chocolates. There goes our Tide, our Gain, the Elvive, the Clairol, and then there goes the Vaseline. All the coupons I used today all scanned. Everything worked out perfect. We got our glitch on the Clairol, the whole blends, and the L'Oreal. There goes our Vaseline CRT. Digital. And then I rolled $32 in extra care bucks. And paid us a total of 9 cents. And then we got back a total of 21 altogether. Right? And then we're also getting back $2.80 on Shopkick, which is gonna net everything at $8.11, and we had 11 items, which is going to be only 73 cents each. So that was an awesome deal. I'm actually kind of excited I came to this store. This is the one closest to my house, to do the degree on the spray. It's priced at $10.99. It's buy one get one 50% off, and spend 15 get back 5. So the first one is $10.99. The second one is $5.49. So the total is going to come to $16.48. I did use 2 $3 coupons. I paid $10.48, right? Yeah. And then got back $5. And then I'm going to submit on Ibotta, get back $6, making them both free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. All right, so here is the receipt really quick. There goes the coupons, there goes the Vaseline. I got the Vaseline again. It was $2.09 here, so I figured I might as well just grab another one here at $2.09 and then use the large digital, making that 9 cents. I rolled $10 in extra care bucks, paid 55 cents out of pocket, and then we got back the 5. And then getting back $6 on Ibotta. makes that a 52 cent. Was it 52 cent? Make that a 52-cent money maker, you guys, which is so awesome. So I have a $3 CRT off of any CVS brand or Live Better feminine care product. So I wanted to check and see what they had that could make for a pretty decent deal. As far as the Live Better, they have some that are priced at $3.99. So with that $3 CRT, it would be only 99 cents. They have that one, and they also have some down here as well. And then for CVS brand, they actually have this one right here for $2.99. That would be absolutely free. I just saw that one. They also have some that are $3.29 right here. So with that CRT, you'd pay 29 cents. There's another one right there as well. I'm probably just gonna go with these right here, and it'll be only 29 cents. So I figure, why not? So here is my complete haul for you guys. I'm done. I'm done this week, y'all. Unless the degree resets. If the degree resets, because it's reset for me twice. I did the 2 sticks, and then I did the 2 sprays, and then today I did the 1 spray and 1 stick. So if that resets for me, again, I'll probably do that again. But other than that, you guys, I'm done. I did a total of 9 different transactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different transactions. Everything worked out good. I did have a 4 for 40, so that's why I tacked in the Scots. Did the gain with the Tide twice, and then the other deal I did with the Eucotex and the Tide. Went ahead and ran through the L'Oreal, finished off Ortiz and Hoblins. Did the Clairol. Now I did it 3 times, but then I was gonna do it the last time, and I noticed that the points on Shopkick decreased to like 450. So I had to pass on that. I picked up the Cetaphil wipes only because I used that with the 4 for 40. So I grabbed a few of those. At first I grabbed 3, but realized I only needed 2, all right, for that deal. So it made that a nice deal using the $3 off of 1 printable. I'll probably insert a picture or something like that. But I used that to get my total over 40 for the 4 for 40. Other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $344.52. I had $194 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $150.52. As far as tax, this is $21.30 in sales tax. I got back $107 in extra care bucks. I got back $1 from coupons.com as well as Alexa for the Scots. Shopkick was $8.40. Ibotta was $18, which nets everything you see here at $15.12, or only 27 cents per item, y'all. I have 56 items. 27 cents per item, y'all. This is an awesome, awesome deal. There are definitely some deals to be done this week. I know I was talking madness about it being slow. This is by far no means a slow week. Other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. If you got to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much. Again, don't forget to smash that like button and support your girl, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.